Welcome to Dura Color Industries, manufacturer and exporter of inkjet dyes and acid. Established in the year 2003 at Ahmedabad, we are an ISO 9001, 2000 and 14001 1996 certified company. Our state-of-the-art infrastructure helps us to cater Indian subcontinent. High-tech infrastructure, better environment and competitive prices are the factors that help us to stay ahead of our competitors. We offer a huge gamut of inkjet, DTP, reactive and cosmetic dyes. Direct, acid and reactive dye offered by us are best in the industry amongst others. We also provide food black 2 and tartrazine that are cost effective. Our DTP reactive dyes and Dura colors are widely acclaimed in the market. Along with that, we offer highly purified dyes that are available at affordable prices. Our direct, acid and reactive dyes are best in the industry amongst others. To know more about us, please visit our website www.dtpdyes.net.